Waiting for the jockey of Red Queen, Pubs and Cabalejo. Ready once again. Off and racing. It's a short start for Windfall to the other post. Racing for the end, showing speeds as well now and takes the top spot. He speeds some more. Scraping the paint out of the inside is Kankalo Queen. Another space by a party for us together with Great Shashi. Then 2 lengths behind in sixth position is Sky. Then last of all is Red Queen. 3 runners in the contention. Build some more still in front. And being chased now by Windfall. A length and a half back in third is Kankalo Queen. Coming closer now in white silks with yellow cap. That is Great Shashi together with in hard Villain. And that is Party for us. That in sixth position is Sky. Last of all is Red Queen. 400 meters out. It's now Windfall on top. Leads now by a length, traveling up and trying to chase back once again. Is still some more. Moving into contention once again now is Kankalo Queen. Great Shashi also in there. 200 meters left to go. It's Windfall has a clear path there by 3 lengths against Kankalo Queen. Great Shashi feels some more. It's Windfall racing away by 6 lengths now against Kankalo Queen and Great Shashi. And Windfall wins by 5 lengths against Kankalo Queen. Then followed by Great Shashi. Red Queen, Field Summer was next, followed by number 2, that is